Why? After seeing this, I want to eat pork. Feet, you do it like me, color, aroma, and taste. All you need at home is a rice cooker to easily make it tender, flavorful, and easy to cook. The dish I made today uses celery. Celery is suitable for braising. Later on This pig's trotters is perfect for making soup. I bought them today, and they cost 10 yuan per jin 5 og along with the soup base. If it's only this part, it's 25 jin. I'm asking here, brothers and sisters, if it were you, how would you choose? Let's put this form. We'll give you this face mask. It will take care of it and deal with it. I'd like to ask my older brothers and sisters, what do you like to eat at home? Whether it's the early or late stage, the fresh pig's feet I chose today are harder to chop. You can ask the vendor to do it for you. You chop it up, and we'll try to chop it as big as possible so we can eat big bites of meat. It'll be so much more satisfying. Cut well. Then we put it on a plate. Next, we'll give it a mental checkup. This pig's trotter has a rather strong fishy smell. Let's add a spoonful of salt first. Let's add a little more of this flour. Because of the strong penetrating power of salt, the wine made from carved pork trotters can remove the blood and impurities from them. It helps release impurities, and the Shaoxing wine helps remove fishy smells. It works exceptionally well and can even soften the meat. Let's wait and let it soak here for 10 minutes. After it's soaked, we'll give it to it along with this Shaoxing wine. Remember this key point when putting the food in the pot: it must be cold water. As the temperature rises slowly after being put into the pot. Look at the Shaoxing wine here, it has released all the snow water. Let's find a spoon and scoop out the contents of this. The blood will clean its skin. This is diluted. The root of this time. Then we'll find a slotted spoon and scoop all of these pig's feet out. And then, oh me! They quickly rinsed it with warm water. Remember, it must be warm water for this pig. If your feet are hot and you wash them with cold water, they will swell up due to the heat. The principle of cooling and contraction causes the meat to become dry and hard, which makes it unpalatable. See, I share my cooking experiences and tips here every day. If they are helpful to your culinary skills, if this is even a little bit of help, could you please give me a like and follow me? Please give me some encouragement and support. Thank you, everyone. We just scooped it out and drained the water. We poured it directly into the rice cooker. Now let's put some ginger and scallions in. Add some dried chili peppers, star anise, bay leaves, and cinnamon to the ice. We'll add a little sugar, and then we'll season it with salt. Let's have less of that. Point. Add a little chicken bouillon and some pepper to remove the fishy smell and enhance the aroma, like this light soy sauce. Like my spoon. Son, we come and have a go. Just a tiny bit of dark soy sauce, like the one in this spoon, to give it some color. Don't have too much. This dish just wants to make me eat more. If we don't add a single drop of water throughout the entire process, then what do we add? It's this Shaoxing wine. We pour a little Shaoxing wine into it. It not only has a detoxifying effect, it enhances the flavor and softens the meat. Then put the lid on the pot and press the cook button. Let's see how it goes. Okay, time's up. Let's check how it's cooked. Wow, that's great. It smells delicious. Let's sprinkle some more adorable chopped green onions and we're done. After it's cooked, I want to eat pig's feet like I do, and they'll be delicious and fragrant. It's bursting with flavor, packed with collagen, melts in your mouth, so tender and delicious. Wow, this is it. Doesn't this braised pig's trotter look incredibly appetizing? 100. If you're asking for a score, how many points would you give me? I'll let you guys try it first and see how it tastes. It's so tender and flavorful, it's really delicious, highly recommended. You guys should try following me and you won't mess up your cooking.